In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw triangles and other shapes in TradingView. Whether you're marking patterns, highlighting zones, or just organizing your chart visually, drawing tools make analysis faster and clearer. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can place, adjust, and remove shapes with confidence. First, look to the left side of your TradingView screen. You'll see the main toolbar running vertically. Click the Drawings or Shapes icon. It looks like a diagonal line with a small square near the end. This opens a drop-down with several shape options. For this tutorial, you can pick triangle, rectangle, ellipse, or circle, or any of the other available shapes you see there. The process is the same regardless of which one you choose, so feel free to start with your favorite. Once you've selected a shape, move your cursor onto the chart. Click once to set the starting point. This first click anchors your shape to a specific spot on the chart. Now drag your mouse to adjust the size and position. As you drag, you'll see the shape stretch or shrink in real time, which helps you align it with candles, highs and lows, or zones you're marking. When it looks right, release the mouse button to place the shape on the chart. Don't worry about being perfect on the first try. You can always fine-tune it afterward. If you want to move, resize, or rotate your shape, click on it to select it. You'll notice handles appear around the shape. Drag these handles to resize and use the rotation handle if it's available for the shape you chose. You can also click and drag the body of the shape to reposition it. Take a moment to zoom in if you need better precision. The key is to make small, deliberate adjustments so the shape lines up exactly where you want it. If you change your mind or you're done with a shape, removing it is simple. Right-click directly on the shape and select Remove. This keeps your chart clean and ensures you only keep the drawings that matter to your analysis. That's it. With these basic actions, selecting the tool, clicking to start, dragging to size, releasing to place, adjusting with handles, and removing when needed, you can draw triangles, rectangles, circles, and more with ease. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.